Imagine you're sending money to a friend or family member quickly and easily. You're thinking of using Zelle, but you're not sure if your bank supports it. That's where this video comes in. EverBank is a popular bank, but does it have Zelle? Let's find out. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that lets you send and receive money instantly. It's a convenient way to pay friends, family, or even businesses. But not all banks support Zelle. So, does EverBank have Zelle? The short answer is yes, EverBank does support Zelle. You can send and receive money using Zelle through your EverBank account. How to use Zelle with EverBank. Here's a quick guide on how to use Zelle with EverBank. Check if your EverBank account is eligible. Make sure your account is set up to use Zelle. You can usually do this through your online banking or mobile app. Add a recipient. To send money, you'll need to add the recipient's email address or phone number to your Zelle contacts. Send money. Once you've added the recipient, you can enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. Receive money. When someone sends you money using Zelle, you will receive a notification. You can then accept or decline the payment. Benefits of using Zelle with EverBank. There are several benefits to using Zelle with EverBank. Fast and convenient, Zelle transactions are typically completed within minutes. Secure, Zelle uses advanced security measures to protect your money. Easy to use, the Zelle app is simple and intuitive. Common questions. Here are some common questions about using Zelle with EverBank. Is there a fee to use Zelle? There are no fees to use Zelle. How long does it take to receive money using Zelle? Zelle transactions are typically completed within minutes. Is it safe to use Zelle? Zelle uses advanced security measures to protect your money. Alternatives to Zelle. If EverBank doesn't support Zelle or you prefer other options, here are some alternatives. Venmo. Venmo is another popular peer-to-peer payment service. Cash App. Cash App is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money. PayPal. PayPal is a widely used online payment platform. So, there you have it. EverBank does indeed support Zelle. It's a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to pay friends or family, Zelle is a great option. If you're an EverBank customer, give Zelle a try. If you're not, consider switching to a bank that supports Zelle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.